I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study AP Pre-Calculus. To begin, familiarize yourself with the course's four main units: polynomial and rational functions, exponential and logarithmic functions, trigonometric and polar functions, and functions involving parameters, vectors, and matrices. Each unit builds upon the last, so consistent engagement with daily lessons is crucial. A solid grasp of algebra and trigonometry from previous courses will be your best friend throughout this journey, making new concepts much easier to absorb. Moving on, truly mastering AP Pre-Calculus means focusing on conceptual understanding rather than rote memorization. Don't just learn formulas, understand why they work and when to apply them. Supplement your classroom learning with additional resources, perhaps watching a few online videos or consulting different textbooks for alternative explanations. Always take detailed notes during lectures and review them often, summarizing key ideas in your own words to solidify your knowledge. Next, consistent practice is absolutely essential for success. Dedicate time each day to work through a variety of problems, from basic exercises to more complex, multi-step questions. When you make a mistake, don't just correct it. Take the time to understand why it was wrong and how to approach similar problems differently in the future. Consider forming a study group with one or two classmates to discuss challenging concepts and work through problems together, offering different perspectives. Finally, effective exam preparation is key to earning a high score. Start your comprehensive review at least 3 to 4 weeks before the actual exam date, revisiting all units and topics. Take several full-length practice exams under timed conditions to simulate the real testing environment and build your stamina. Analyze your performance on these practice tests to pinpoint your weakest areas. Then dedicate extra study time to those specific topics to turn them into strengths.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.